If you're interested in picking up girls, try hanging out in places where you're likely to meet people who share your interests. For example, you might meet girls at the bookstore, the mall, or the gym. If you see a girl you're interested in, make sure to approach her when she's relaxed and in a casual setting. She'll be a lot less likely to appreciate your attention if she's working, stressed, or busy. Look for an excuse to strike up a conversation, so it's not obvious right away that you're hitting on her. Otherwise, she might feel uncomfortable. For example, you could ask her for directions or comment on something interesting that's going on around you. If she seems interested in chatting, try dropping a sincere compliment. For instance, tell her how much you like her outfit, or comment on what a great smile she has. You can also try a little good-natured teasing, which can be a fun way to flirt. For example, if you like different sports teams, get some playful banter going about whose team is better. Just make sure it doesn't come off as insulting or rude. If the conversation is going well, look for an excuse to make an exit before you wear out your welcome. Say something like, "It's been awesome meeting you, but I better get back to my friends over there." This can also be a good moment to ask for her number, or give her yours. If you're wondering how to make yourself more attractive to girls, here are a few pointers to keep in mind. First of all, try to act confident, even if you're not really feeling it. Smile, stand up straight, and use relaxed, approachable body language. Also remember to be kind, polite, and respectful to her, and to other people around you. It's okay to talk yourself up a little when you're chatting with her, but don't forget to ask her questions about herself, too. She'll enjoy talking to you a lot more if you show a genuine interest in her and the things she cares about. If it seems like things are going well and you're ready to make a move, take it slow. For example, be careful about going in for a kiss if you're not sure she'll be into it. Start with something subtler like touching her arm while you're talking, or telling her how beautiful she looks. Pay close attention to how she reacts, and always back off if she seems uncomfortable with anything you're doing.